So I bought this little carrying case or basket or whatever you want to call it, and it's for mason jars. And I originally thought this is what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to put different jars in here for like barbecues and picnics and stuff like that. But whenever you have the rings on them, they don't fit in here very well. So take the rings off of them first and they fit well. But then I thought, oh, I could put all my office supplies, because I have everything in mason jars. I can put everything in this little caddy and it's all together. Easy peasy, right? So that's a really cute way to do it. Like I said, these wide jars are that's my doorbell. The wide jars are a little snug, but they work. The regular jars fit very, very well. So this is probably what I'll do is use these jars. Isn't that cute? I love this. It does have handles. It does work. Just take these out. So if you had jars that weren't full, you could easily carry it. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think this is so cute with this like chicken wire. I don't know. Thought about putting it in the bathroom too, in these jars with toothbrushes or Q-tips or a soap dispenser. I have a couple of those in green jars actually. So anyway, I found this on Amazon and I just wanted to share it. I thought it was cute. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.